Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Gazir 4x4. We'll explore their distinct features to help you decide which vehicle best fits your lifestyle and driving needs. The Excel 4x4 is often praised for its refined ride and modern amenities, making it great for everyday use. Conversely, the Gazir 4x4 is built for the toughest challenges, focusing on raw power and durability. Let's break down what each vehicle brings to the table. The Excel 4x4 shines with its focus on passenger comfort and advanced technology. Its independent suspension system ensures a remarkably smooth ride, perfect for long commutes or family trips. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with premium materials and a user-friendly infotainment system, often featuring a large 10-inch display. It also boasts impressive fuel economy, achieving around 28 miles per gallon, making it a practical choice for daily driving, with occasional light off-road excursions. When it comes to tackling challenging terrain, the Gazir 4x4 is in a league of its own. Built on a sturdy body-on-frame chassis, it's designed for maximum durability and resilience. This vehicle typically offers an impressive 12 inches of ground clearance, along with front and rear locking differentials, ensuring superior traction. Heavy-duty skid plates protect critical components, allowing you to confidently navigate rocks and obstacles. It's truly engineered for serious off-road adventures. Ultimately, your choice between the Excel and Gazir 4x4 depends on your priorities. If you value a comfortable daily driver with the capability for light trails and adverse weather, the Excel 4x4 is an excellent fit. However, if your passion lies in conquering extreme off-road conditions and you need a vehicle built for rugged performance, the Gazir 4x4 is your clear winner. Both offer distinct advantages, so consider your primary use case carefully. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.